back to when I was applying to fellowship, I think the few things that led me to picking WashU as a fellowship. One was the mentors that were here, and I think the faculty is a great group of surgeons, and they're great, all great people and great to learn from. So that was one big draw here. And secondly, I think the operative hands-on experience that we get here is invaluable. And those were two things that I think really shined through on the interview and led me to wanting to come here for fellowship.
I decided to stay for fellowship here because I knew firsthand that I would be a better surgeon for it. And speaking at the end of my fellowship year, I'm more confident in the OR because I've been able to run through all my own cases by myself at the VA. And you don't really get that opportunity at many different places. And I think the fact that there's certain other graduates or former faculty from this program that have gone elsewhere to implement the same curriculum, I think that's a testament to how well this program has worked in the past and now as well.
So, to anybody who is, considering the WashU Shoulder and Elbow program, I would say that, it's arguably one of the best decisions that I've made in my academic life. I think that, the experience that I've gotten this year has been invaluable, not only from a learning standpoint, but also a hands-on surgical standpoint. And I can say without a doubt that, I feel, confident and prepared to take on future practice next year.